Hi, Polynomials Class 9 Exercise 2.4 Question number 5. Factorize x cube minus 2x square minus x plus 2. It is a cubic polynomial. Since the degree is 3, it's a cubic polynomial. As we know, yesterday we have factorized a quadratic equation. When we factorized a quadratic equation, we had two factors. Today, we are going to factorize the cubic polynomial. Since it's a cubic polynomial, we must have three factors by working out, right? Now the first step, when factorizing a cubic polynomial, we'll be having three steps. The first step is trial method, hit and trial method, right? Second step is the long division. It is nothing but the long division. The third step, middle splitting. Hope you know, yesterday we have learned it, middle splitting. So we'll be following the three methods here. What is the first step? That is the trial method. What is the trial? To factorize this, the first step will be the trial method. What is the trial method? Is nothing but first look at the constant term. First look at that, make sure that it's arranged in a ascending or the descending order. 3, 2, 1 and the constant term. What is the constant term? 2 is the constant term. So factors of first step, you are right, factors of 2. What are the factors of 2? The factors of 2 are 1 and 2. That means in the table 1 2s are 2, it comes, 2 1s are 2, it comes. That's it. We do not have further. So the factors of 2 are 1 and 2. Suppose if it is a minus 2, if it is given minus 2 or a minus 5 minus whatever value, you must take the plus 1, minus 1, plus 2 and the minus 2 as the factors. Remember, if it is a minus value, the constant term is a minus, then you must take plus and minus, both values, plus and minus, all the factors. So now since it is given as a plus, we will be taking as only the plus values. Factors of 2 are 1 and 2. The next step, take this. First is we are going to find out the zero. You know what's the zero of a polynomial. If when I substitute 1 in this p of x, suppose the whole answer comes as a 0, then it is a factor as well as a 0 of the polynomial. Suppose if it not comes, I am going to try with the 2. Sure, let us try now. Let us take the given polynomial as p of x cube minus 2x square minus x plus 2, right? Okay, now what's the x value of getting? First, when x is equal to 1, we are taking. So this is our first method, that is the trial method we are trying out. Actually, we are trying out the trial method. Now we are substituting a 1 here. P of 1, we must get 0. Suppose if you are not getting 0, it's not a factor, so we have to go for the next, that is a 2. So let us try now. 1 cube, instead of x, in the place of x we are trying 1 cube. 2 into x square is nothing but 1 square minus x is nothing but x value is 1 plus 2. What's the cube of 1? That is 1 minus 2. 1 square is nothing but 1 minus 1 as it is plus 2 as it is. The x is nothing but minus 1. That's what we have taken here. 1 minus 2, 2 in 1s are 2, minus 1 plus 2. Are we getting 0? Yes. The plus 1 and minus 1 get cancelled. The minus 2 and the plus 2 get cancelled. We get the 0. Since we get 0, 1 is a factor of polynomial x cube minus 2x square minus x plus 2. So therefore, watch carefully, we have taken plus 1. We have taken plus 1, but because it's x is equal to 1, when this plus 1 carried to other side, it will become x minus 1. So x minus 1 is a factor of p of x. All right, Suppose if it comes -1, we have substituted -1 for that 0 has come, then we have to take it as a x plus 1, or if it is 2, x minus 2. If it is a plus -2, then it's a x plus 2. Okay, opposite sign we have to take, that's it. The next step, one step we done, that is the trial method. First step we done. Next is the long division. Second step is the long. I'll write it shortly, you need not to write these steps. Long division. How to do the long division? The polynomial, what is given? The polynomial is x cube minus 2x square minus x plus 2. What's the polynomial given at the question? So I'm writing out it. It should be divided by, what's the factor just now we got? That is x minus 1. This is called as a long division. How to do the long division? If you do not know, please watch carefully. How to do the long division? Let me take this as a rough part. Okay, let me take it as a rough part. Now what is the first term here in the polynomial? That is x cube. Let me write over here x cube divided by, what the first term here? It is x. What I'm doing is nothing but, when I multiplied with something to x, I must get x cube. When I multiply to x with something, I must get x cube. What is that number? I'm checking out. That's it. X cube by x. You know x cube is nothing but x into x into x. The whole